Let's just suppose, can this also be extended to fixing your KPIs for monitoring?
Yeah. Monitoring systems evolve a lot. There's no such thing as coming up with the perfect metrics on day zero. This is an evolution that it continues as long as your service is alive. So you start off with something basic, but then you continuously evolve them. What are the ways to evolve them, right? I used to be of the point of view that more metrics is always better. But I've started changing that, because if they've got too many metrics, then you can actually get in this data deluge, and that doesn't help you remediate the issue faster when you actually get an issue. And a lot of them can go into alarm and you don't know which one to go after. So in those kind of places where there's difference of opinion on what are the most important ones, because you've got a lot of these metrics and what are the most important ones for us to be paging the team on, then you could actually see, tie them back to actual events, and which metrics are actually creating the most value in those actual events. It's not as much A/B testing, more it's like production testing of, every time you have an event, you say, did we have the right metrics? Were they giving us enough heads up, enough alarming heads up that we can actually go and fix those things and remediate them or not? So I think you just continuously keep asking yourself with every incident that happens, with every customer contact, with every internal system failure, you always ask yourself, do I have the right metrics in place to alarm the team? And this is a continuous process. It evolves over time.
Okay. Thank you.